Hey, what's up guys? So today I have a new product, and basically these are hinges. So these are slow closing hinges. So basically I got my vanity in my bathroom, and the doors that's been used, they slam. So it's because the hinges are a little off, and they're the ones that doesn't close softly. So I decided to get some of these. It comes with everything. So these, you put them to close, and you can see there it shuts slowly. So do a quick replacement and see how it goes. Okay guys, so it is a direct fit. You can see right there it fits perfect. That is the other side. So yes, just get the one that matches your cabinet. So okay, I'm gonna show you guys how exactly it closes. Alright, so you got the original one. This is the original one, so you can see it slams. And now this is the one I replaced. Nice. Nice. Look at that. Beautiful. So recommend it. One more time. Slams. New one. Beautiful. Excellent. Final product, the one that used to slam, we're good. The other one, they're both good. No issue whatsoever. Nice. Beautiful.